Our workshops are based on fundamental principles. One of them being the vibration of love. That's what we are here to share with everybody. My family and I, we exercise, practice, cultivate, and create vibration of love. So everything we share, whether it's a comic book workshop, singing workshop, nutrition workshop, whatever it is, we're just sharing it with the core principle of vibration of love. So the outcome is the art. The outcome is what you see in front of you. But what the student or the participant takes with them and what we take from it is the vibration of love. We hope you can attend our next session, our next workshop. We hope to see you here. I love you. I know some of you don't know me, but I know you. I know you because we are love. Peace and love.